Hi, my name is Lauren Poor, and I'll be demonstrating today the Brainlift and applications for Anki that I've developed as part of the Speedrun application. So, my spiky point of view, as requested by the project assignment, is that if we have the Anki app that students are using to study for the MCAT, and we believe that there is a more efficient way of students to study and get better pass rates. One might naturally think that transfer or the process of analyzing facts instead of just simply rote memorizing them might be better. However, in my research, I've found that students will fall back on memorization regardless of the good intentions to perform transfer. So, the spiky POV here is let's optimize memorization instead of trying to change a behavior so drastically that a student might not fall back on anyway. To that end, I've done some research, some AI consensus. I'll be updating this for the Sunday submission. I put together a document called The Science of Failure, which I found very, very fascinating and helped me contribute to the research of my response here. I do have some current tests per the assignment. They are not all completed, but I will complete them for the Sunday submission. The required teardowns and traceability. And now we'll move on to looking at the app here. So what I've done is I've created 10 new cards. I've created a new card type called Principles. And what that really means is that there's a new method of studying here that isn't just look at a card, give the answer, look at a card, give the answer. So what we do here instead, we can say, state the principle in your own words. And if you understand that, then what you will do after that to continue is submit an answer per the box above. So in this case, it's write a short application answer for a change experimental setup or passage. This is to kind of escape the cop-out of just cramming and maybe just writing a few words that allow the concepts to sink in and be developed as part of the brain. And I've done that for a desktop as well as for this app here. So you can see that we have our question here, we have our application here, and then we have a text box here where we can type the answer here as well. And as you can see, we'll submit the application. And I wanted to bring up one more thing, and that is in the current tests, there is a rust change. You can see it here. This will be demonstrated on Sunday because it's really only partially implemented now, so as to make sure that the Brainlift is out the door, make sure it's reviewed, and I can make changes accordingly if there are any changes to the Brainlift for the final submission.